Alright, this is something I wouldn't normally do. I don't like the sound of my voice. I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse of my workshop. This right here is my setup, my table for my wet tile saw so I can cut rocks. It's kind of windy out here, a little chilly, Pensacola, Florida. Alright. The workshop is a mess. As you can see, this is actually the cleaner part of it. But this is my motivation for cleaning my workshop right here. Rocks and minerals. Don't have much, I'm just getting started. That's my tumblers. Dan Darcy holds a 1 pound barrel. Chicago Electric, there's 2 3-pound barrels on there. Have a scale, buckets, my makeshift apron, which is a garbage bag and a rain jacket for when I'm cutting tile. It gets a little bit wet. And there's one of my ferrules, so-called ferrules. He's fat and happy here. That's Big O. Used to be the neighborhood terror until we got him fixed. Some of my rocks that I just took out of stage 2 on the Jasper here, called Crocodile Eye or Kambaba Jasper. But this is another story right here. The rest of my workshop, my tools. You know, you got to work with what you have. I do have a Dremel. I just need the bits, the diamond bits and blades, my wet saw, and the other half of my workshop where everything that was on this side ended up over there and eventually will end out that door over there. The tarp protecting pretty much nothing from some roof leaks I have all the way down. There's one beam down there. A little spotty, but eventually we'll get up there and take care of that. Alright, so we're going to end it right here, and we'll get back to these rocks before you know it. Thank you for watching.